cooking some field peas today for lunch. So what I've done is I've taken 2 boxes of field peas. These are brown crowders that we grew here on the farm last spring, and I blanched and put in the freezer. So I'm taking 2 boxes, and doesn't matter whether you thaw them out before you cook them or not. Just put them in the pot and just cover them with water. So I can't tell you just how much. It depends on the amount of peas that you cook and the amount of water, but just cover them with water. And I'm going to add a little bit of chopped onion. I picked 3 little onions out of a pot that I'm growing some onions in, and they're pretty much ready. So I got 3 about 1.5 inch in diameter onions and put in here with the 2 boxes, 2 pint boxes of peas. I'm going to add a little salt and a little bit of pepper and put these on the stove and start them cooking. It'll take approximately an hour. With the fresh or out of the freezer peas, we still call them fresh. It only takes approximately an hour. I've never really timed it, so I can't tell you just how long. It depends on how whether they're the young and tender peas that you pick at the beginning of the season or whether they're more mature peas later on in the season. So it'll be approximately an hour, but I'm going to time these and I'll let you know how long it takes. These fresh peas, it's not a vegetable that you can cook crisp tender. They're just not good that way. They have to be cooked done. So we're going to put these on to cook and have them for supper. We're going to add some fried okra, which I just picked yesterday, and some fried green tomatoes, and maybe a stuffed bell pepper too. But they're going to be good, especially if I make cornbread to go with them. So I'm going to put them on and turn the burner up high. Now you can cook these one of 2 ways. You can either start them boiling and let them boil for a while, and then turn the fire down and put a lid on them and cook them slow. Or you can just let them boil at a high, with the burner on high, and which is what I like to do. You'll have to add water occasionally, but that doesn't bother me. And let me mention also, if you were cooking dried beans or peas that you buy at the store out of a bag, then you wouldn't put the seasoning in to begin with, because that'll make them tough and hard to take them longer to get done. But the fresh ones, I go ahead and salt right away so the salt can cook into the peas. But we're going to see how long it takes to cook them. Our peas have been cooking for an hour now, from start to finish. Now these were frozen. So if they were not frozen, it probably 45 to 50 minutes would be plenty of time to cook them. So this is what they look like, and they are going to be absolutely delicious. And I think I failed to mention that you can also, as well as the onion, add some bacon or maybe a slice or 2 of ham, and that would be very good too. I just happen to like my vegetables cooked without meat. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it with someone else that you think would like it. Enjoy, and thanks for stopping by.